Hey, this is Melissa Foth with FRITSCH Milling and Sizing. We're at MJ BizCon 2019 in Las Vegas, having a great time and ready to get talking with everybody. FRITSCH is a milling and sizing company, so at the very basic level, we take big things and make them small for a lot of industries. So where it's relevant here for cannabis and hemp and this industry that's growing toward advocacy and awareness building is taking materials that are critical for extractions, pre-rolls, different edible products, and being able to take the quality that we can bring our experience from food, pharma, and agriculture and optimize these processes and all of the techniques that are required for really high quality controlled processes with good lab practices, good manufacturing practices to give the best high quality product to the consumers, to the patients, and also the highest reward, minimizing risk, and being able to give a process that is efficient and effective for those who are investing in the industry and producing products for it. So FRITSCH has been in business for 100 years. We're based out of Germany, still family owned today, moving into our 5th generation. Mr. FRITSCH is retiring at the end of this month and his 2 amazing sons are taking over. So the culture that they have and the long-term collaboration and the relationships we build and support within the industry and the folks that we work with, they become part of our FRITSCH family and the culture that we have, and we all kind of move forward together in creating new processes and improving techniques and optimizing. We have a special site with information, cannabis-milling.com. Also, our main site, fritsch-us.com, takes you to our full breadth of product line that represents all industries.